Okay, show that the straight line is a tangent to the circle. Okay, so when a line is a tangent to a circle, okay, we only have one point of intersection there. Okay, if it's not a tangent and it goes through the circle, well, it goes through the circle, it's got to come out of the circle, so you always have 2 points then. Okay, but when it's a tangent, we'll only have 1 point. Okay, so if we just find 1 point here, then we've proved that it's a tangent. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll treat these as simultaneous equations. So we'll call that equation 1 and this equation 2. Okay, and we'll solve them simultaneously for points of intersection. So with number 1, I'm going to rewrite that so that I have, well, the easiest way to rewrite that is to take the 3y and 5 over the other side. So I get that. Yeah, it's not particularly nice, but that's what will make it easy for me now in terms of substitution. So take that over, and I get that, and I can substitute this value for x now in here. Okay, that's the approach I would take there. Okay, so if we substitute it in, okay, well, so we'll say that sub in 2. Okay, well, I've got x squared, so I need to square this. Plus y squared. Okay, plus 2x. Well, this is my x, isn't it? So I'm going to sub that in. Minus 4y minus 5 equals 0. So I'm going to get an answer out for y, okay, and that's okay. You get an answer out for y, and you can sub it in and to get the answer for x. But we're hoping for only one solution, aren't we? So then we proved that it's a tangent. So let's expand this now and simplify. So here now we need to put a double bracket, yeah, for this. Okay. And let's expand this. So minus 6y minus 10. So when I multiply out here, I get first here, so minus 3y times minus 3y is positive 9y squared. The outers, minus 3y times minus 5 is positive, yeah, minus times a minus, so positive 15y. The inners will also be positive 15y, so that'll be 30y. And last then, minus 5 times minus 5 is positive 25. Plus y squared. Minus 6y minus 4y is minus 10y. So put them together, and I can put these together. Minus 15 equals 0. Okay, so I got there 9y squared and y squared is 10y squared. 30y plus minus 10y is 20y. And then 25 take away 15 is 10 equals 0. So we've got that there, quadratic now to solve. Nice and simple, isn't it? But even before we solve it, we can scale it down. If we divide by 10, it makes it even easier. So you get that, yeah, because 10 is a factor. And then when you factorize this, what we're hoping for is a repeated factor, isn't it? Okay, which is what we get actually. So it'd be plus 1, wouldn't it? Both of them be plus 1 there. And that will give you the quadratic. So that means then you only have one solution. So y is equal to negative 1. And then if you sub it back in here, so x then will equal to, we worked that out, that's 3, isn't it? Positive 3, when you times them together, take away 5 is minus 2. So you say minus 1 minus 2 is only point of intersection. So if you've only got one point of intersection, it's got to be a tangent. Because, you know, if it's not a tangent, it's going in the circle and it's got to come out, so it'll have 2 points. But we've only got 1 point here, so it's only point of intersection. Therefore, line is a tangent to the circle.